In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pre-populate fields on your Activecampaign form. Pre-populating a form means filling in certain fields for someone before they even start typing. This is helpful when you are sending people to a form from an email, a page on your website, or another tool where you already know some of their details. It can make the experience faster, reduce mistakes, and increase the chances that someone actually completes the form. To get started, sign into your Activecampaign account and look at the left sidebar. Find Website, then click it, and select Forms. This takes you to the area where your forms are stored and managed. Take a moment to confirm you are looking at the correct form, especially if you have multiple versions that look similar. Next, locate the form you want to use and click Edit. This opens the Form Builder, where you can adjust design, fields, and settings. You do not need to change any fields for this process, but you do need to access the form settings so you can copy the correct link. On the right side of the builder, click the Options tab. Options is where you will find key details about how your form is shared and embedded. Once you are in Options, look for the section labeled Link to this form. You will see a form URL there. Copy that form URL carefully so you capture the full link. Now that you have the form URL copied, paste it into the place where you plan to use it. You can paste it directly into your browser to test it, or you can paste it into an email editor if you plan to send it to contacts. When you paste it into your browser, it is a good habit to double-check that the page loads and that it is the correct form. When you paste it into an email editor, make sure the link is clean and complete so it does not break when someone clicks it. This form URL is the foundation you will use when setting up pre-populated values, so always start by copying it from the link to this form section to avoid using an outdated or incorrect link. And that is all there is to it.